Oats, scientifically termed avena sativa, are a nutritious whole grain staple. The purest form of oats, known as oat groats, are valued for their robust texture but require considerable cooking time. As a result, many opt for more convenient forms like rolled, crushed, or steel-cut oats. Among the oat varieties, instant oats undergo the most processing. They boast a quick cooking time, though their texture tends to be softer and less firm. A popular way to enjoy oats is in the form of oatmeal, a comforting breakfast dish prepared by simmering oats in water or milk. Often synonymous with porridge, oatmeal serves as a warm, hearty start to the day. Beyond breakfast, oats find their way into an array of baked goods, lending texture and nutrition to muffins, granola bars, and cookies. Nutritional value of oats. Oats, predominantly composed of carbohydrates, are a powerhouse of energy, with 100 grams yielding approximately 389 calories. These grains are a treasure trove of vital nutrients and minerals, including thiamine, zinc, magnesium, iron, manganese, phosphorus, and selenium. A single serving of oatmeal can significantly contribute to the daily recommended intake of fiber, essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and protein. Oats are an excellent source of whole grains and boast a special type of starch called beta-glucan. This heart-healthy component is instrumental in lowering high cholesterol levels and may also play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Health benefits of eating oats every day. Immune fortification. Oats, rich in soluble fiber and beta-glucan, empower white blood cells to absorb these compounds, bolstering their infection-fighting capabilities. Beta-glucan not only primes the body for a more robust response to antibiotics, but also expedites wound recovery and invigorates immune cells to combat a spectrum of pathogens. Additionally, the presence of zinc and selenium in oats fortifies the body's defense against infections, and early consumption of oats may shield infants from childhood asthma. Blood sugar regulation. The beta-glucan in oats is a formidable ally in maintaining a low glycemic index, enhancing insulin sensitivity, and moderating blood sugar spikes post-meal. Regular intake can be particularly beneficial for individuals managing weight or type 2 diabetes, contributing to significant blood sugar level reductions. Cardiovascular enhancement. Oats are abundant in antioxidants and fiber, which collaborate to purge free radicals and manage cholesterol levels. The beta-glucan in oats acts as a cholesterol sponge in the intestines, thereby diminishing the risk of coronary heart disease. Oats also contain dietary lignans and vitamin E, which further fortify heart health. Digestive health. The soluble fiber in oats prolongs digestion, ensuring a thorough cleanse of the gastrointestinal tract and aiding in bowel regularity. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stools, easing bowel movements and mitigating constipation. Moreover, oats contribute to colorectal cancer prevention. Cancer risk reduction. Oats are laden with lignans, which counteract hormonal imbalances linked to various cancers. Coupled with vitamin C and a wealth of antioxidants, oats engage in a relentless battle against cancer-causing free radicals. Avenanthramides, exclusive to oats, combat inflammation and inhibit the unchecked proliferation of cancer cells while sparing healthy cells. Hypertension and stress mitigation. Oats consumption can lower hypertension risk and aid those already managing high blood pressure. As a comforting food, oats reduce stress hormones and elevate serotonin levels, fostering a sense of contentment and happiness. Aiding weight management. Oats, abundant in fiber, promote a feeling of fullness more swiftly than less fibrous alternatives. This satiety, coupled with a gradual glucose release, curbs the urge for frequent snacking. Regular oat consumption is associated with stable body weight and a reduced propensity for obesity, as well as targeting abdominal fat. Opt for unflavored oats over sugary pre-packaged varieties to fully harness these weight management benefits. Nurturing skin health. The zinc content in oats plays a crucial role in combating acne. Oats excel in absorbing excess skin oil and are integral to acne treatment regimens. Their beta-glucans also provide hydration, addressing dry and itchy skin conditions. Additionally, oats serve as a natural anti-tanning agent, contributing to an even skin tone. Enhancing hair vitality. Oatmeal extends its virtues to hair care, alleviating itchy scalp conditions and managing oiliness. It stands as a formidable remedy against dandruff. Applied topically, oats reinforce hair follicles and curb hair damage, while oat-based hair masks impart moisture, leaving hair silky and lustrous. Strengthening bone health. Rich in silicon, oats are beneficial for bone density, offering substantial advantages to women navigating postmenopausal osteoporosis. Regular intake of oats supports skeletal strength and integrity. Boosting energy levels. The carbohydrate richness of oats makes them an excellent breakfast choice, providing sustained energy. The high levels of B vitamins further amplify this energizing effect. The fiber in oats ensures prolonged satiety, preventing energy slumps throughout the day. Promoting restful sleep? Oats contribute to melatonin production, a hormone pivotal for sleep. They also foster relaxation and stress reduction through serotonin release. The amino acid tryptophan, present in oats, possesses natural sedative qualities, enhancing sleep quality. The versatile world of oats. A guide to varieties. Oats come in a diverse array of forms, each offering unique textures and cooking times, suitable for a variety of dishes. Rolled oats. Also known as old-fashioned oats, these are flat and flaky, having been steamed and rolled. Ideal for baking and breakfast cereals. Oat groats. These are whole oat kernels with the hulls removed. They boast a hearty, chewy texture and are perfect for stews. Oat bran. This is the nutrient-dense outer layer of the oat groat, rich in fiber and often used to boost the nutritional profile of foods. Steel-cut oats. Often referred to as Irish oats, these are oat groats that have been chopped into pieces. They offer a nuttier flavor and a firm texture. Scottish oats. Traditionally stone ground, these oats create a creamy, porridge-like consistency, perfect for a classic breakfast. Quick or instant oats. These oats are pre-cooked and dried before being rolled. They cook rapidly, providing a convenient quick meal. Oat flour. Ground from oats, this flour is a gluten-free alternative to traditional wheat flour, used in a variety of baking recipes. Each type of oat brings its own character to dishes, from hearty stews to delicate baked goods, making oats a versatile ingredient in any kitchen. When it comes to selecting the finest oats, steel-cut oats are unparalleled. Here's why they're a cut above the rest. Integrity of nutrients. Steel-cut oats are crafted by slicing whole oat kernels with precision steel blades. This method preserves the bran, endosperm, and germ, ensuring you receive all the natural goodness of the grain. Minimal processing. These oats undergo the least processing among their counterparts, retaining their original, nutrient-rich state. Nutritional superiority. Packed with essential nutrients, steel-cut oats deliver the maximum nutritional value, making them a smart choice for a healthful diet. Embrace the versatility of steel-cut oats by preparing them as a delightful sweet or savory oatmeal. Customize your bowl with an assortment of toppings to tantalize your taste buds while nourishing your body with the countless benefits of oats. Whether you're looking for a hearty start to your day or a satisfying meal, steel-cut oats are sure to enrich your culinary experience. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.